Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to our channel Study of Life. Our today's topic is present perfect tense. First of all, present perfect tense is used in which situation? This tense tells about the completion of any work, any action which is completed. It is discussed under the present perfect tense. For example, she has slept. They have gone to school. वो स्कूल जा चुके हैं. Ali has locked the door. Ali दरवाज़ा लॉक कर चुका है. The train has not stopped on the station. ट्रेन स्टेशन पे नहीं रुकी है, वो जा चुकी है. Have you done your work? क्या तुम अपना काम कर चुके हो? Has she washed clothes? क्या वो कपड़े धो चुकी है? If you notice these sentences, in all these sentences, the action is done, or the question is asked about the action work which is almost done. Now further we will study the sentences in their detail. First of all, we will study active voice sentences, simple affirmative sentence. The structure of simple sentence is subject, then helping verb, third form of verb, and then the object. And in this tense, the helping verb is has and have. For example, I have done my work. मैं अपना काम कर चुका हूँ. She has locked the door. वो अपना दरवाज़ा लॉक कर चुकी है. And they have broken my toys. वो मेरे खिलौने तोड़ चुके हैं. In these sentences, I, she, and they are subject, has, have, helping verb, done, locked, and broken. These are the third form of verb do, lock, and break, respectively. And my work, the toy, the door. These are the object. And if you notice, has is written with he, she, it, and any singular subject, while have is written along with I, we, you, they, and any other plural verb, plural subject. Then for the negative sentence, there is the addition of not after the helping verb, that is has not or have not. For example, I have not done my work. मैं अपना काम नहीं कर चुकी हूँ. She has locked the door. वो अपना दरवाज़ा लॉक नहीं कर चुकी है. They have not broken my toys. You can notice in these sentences not is used after has or have. And the remaining structure of the sentence is same as that of simple affirmative sentence. For the interrogative, in the interrogative sentence there is a question. A question is asked. And for the question, helping verb is used in the starting, has, have, and then there is subject plus third form of verb plus object. For example, have I done my work? क्या मैं अपना काम कर चुकी हूँ? Has she locked the door? क्या वो दरवाज़ा लॉक कर चुकी है? Have they broken my toys? क्या वो मेरे खिलौने तोड़ चुके हैं? In all these sentences, questions are asked. Questions are asked about the actions which are done. So these are the active voice sentences of the present perfect tense. Further, we will discuss passive voice sentences. Passive voice sentences, they are different from the active voice, as in this object is used in the starting of the sentence. And the structure is as follows. For simple sentence, there is object, has, have, been, third form of verb, by, and subject. In passive voice, the indicator is been, has been, and have been. They will indicate that it is the passive voice sentence of present perfect tense. For example, if we use the previous sentences and convert them into the passive voice, the first sentence was I have done my work. If we convert it into the passive, then it will become as my work has been done by me. My work was object in the active sentence, and now it becomes the subject in the passive sentence. And has, helping verb is has, my work is singular, and been is used, third form of verb, by, and I is converted into me. The door has been locked by her. My toys have been broken by them. These are the sentences, passive sentences of the previous active sentences. Then for the negative sentence, there is the addition of not, and the remaining structures remain the same as that of the simple affirmative of the passive sentence. For example, my work has not been done by me. The door has not been locked by her. My toys have not been broken by them. For negative sentence, not is added, and been is the indicator for the passive sentence of present perfect tense. For the affirmative sentence, as we know, the helping verb will be used in the starting of the sentence, And then there is object, been, third form of verb, by and subject. Has my work been done by me? Has the door been locked by her? Have my toys been broken by them? All these are the examples of interrogative sentences of passive voice. Further, in next section, we will do practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice means makes the man perfect. The more you practice, the more you are perfect. You are expert in anything. The expert in anything was once a beginner. So, keep practicing. Here we will perform exercises. In first exercise, we will convert active sentences into the passive sentence. So, be with us. If you want a grip on this topic, practice this exercise. I suggest you to pause this video after every sentence. First practice and assess yourself, and then see the answer. This strategy will help you to solve any other sentences without any problem. So let's start the exercise. First sentence is, they have already discussed the chapter. In this sentence, you can see that they is subject, have is helping verb, discuss third form of verb, and the chapter is object. And so for the passive voice, the object will be converted to subject, the chapter. The chapter, it is singular, has is used, been is used, has been, the chapter has been discussed by them. The chapter has already been discussed by them. Already is extra information which is given along with this sentence. My sister has made a big cake. So you can start a sentence as a big cake. Here big is the adjective which describes the quality of the cake. A big cake as a whole is object which becomes subject in passive sentence. A big cake has been made by my sister. Third sentence, the army has not attacked the city. So this sentence will be changed as the city has not been attacked by the army. It is a negative sentence, not is used. Fourth one, why have you not completed the task? So it is interrogative sentence. Why is used as it is. Why the task? The task is singular, so helping verb has is used. Why has the task not been completed by you? Next, has he played the piano? So it is converted as has the piano been played by him? This exercise is completed. And in next exercise, we will convert passive voice into the active voice. So, let's continue our next exercise. Before starting next exercise, please subscribe our channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. So, let's start. Our first sentence is, meal has been cooked by her. This is a passive sentence, simple affirmative. So, subject for active sentence will her. Her is converted into the she. She has cooked the meal. She has cooked the meal. Second sentence, a letter has not been written by them. So here, them is object. In active voice, it is converted to subject. And so the active sentence will start with they. They are plural. Helping verb will use have. They have. It is an active sentence, so not is used. They have not. Third form of verb, written a letter. They have not written a letter. Third sentence, a trip has been planned by us. Us converted to we. We are plural. Have is used. We have planned a trip. We have planned our trip. We have planned our trip. Next sentence, has she been helped by you? It is interrogative sentence. Question is asked in this sentence. So, you is plural. So, have. Have you helped? Have you helped her? She is converted to her. Next sentence is, has the castle been visited by tourists? So here the tourist is object, and in active sentence it is converted to subject. Active sentence will start by tourist. The tourist it is plural, helping verb have will be used. Tourists have visited the castle. Next, our today's topic is ended. Thank you so much for listening, for concentrating on this lecture. If you have any question, feel free to comment below this video. The link of the account will be given in the description. Looking forward for your positive response. Thank you so much. See you next time with a new video. Allah Hafiz.